Another day, another story. To build a basic personal computer, PC, you will need the following components. 1. Processor, CPU. The central processing unit is the brain of the computer and handles all the calculations and instructions. Look for a compatible CPU based on your requirements and budget. 2. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the components together. Ensure compatibility with your chosen CPU and consider features like expansion slots, USB ports, and RAM slots. 3. Memory, RAM. Random access memory stores data that the CPU is currently working on. Choose a suitable amount of RAM based on your needs. Typically, 8 GB or 16 GB is sufficient for most users, but more demanding tasks like gaming or video editing may require 32 GB or higher. 4. Storage. You'll need a storage device to install the operating system and store your files. There are two main types. Solid-state drive, SSD, provides fast read-write speeds, which result in quicker boot times and program loading. Hard disk drive, HDD, offers higher storage capacity at a lower cost but slower performance compared to SSDs. It's common to have both an SSD, for the operating system and frequently used programs, and an HDD, for mass storage, in a PC. 5. Graphics card, GPU. If you plan to use your PC for gaming, video editing, or other graphics-intensive tasks, a dedicated graphics card is necessary. Ensure compatibility with your motherboard and check the system requirements for your specific use cases. 6. Power Supply Unit, PSU. The power supply unit provides electrical power to the components. Choose a PSU with sufficient wattage and good efficiency ratings to ensure stable and reliable power delivery. 7. Computer case. The case holds and protects all the components. Select a case that supports the form factor of your motherboard and has adequate cooling options and room for expansion. 8. Display. You'll need a monitor to use with your PC. Choose a size, resolution, and refresh rate that suits your preferences and needs. 9. Keyboard and mouse. Select a keyboard and mouse based on your preferences. Consider factors like wired or wireless connectivity, ergonomic design, and additional features. 10. Operating system, OS. You'll need an operating system to run your PC. Options include Windows, macOS, or Linux. Choose the one that best suits your requirements and software compatibility. 11. Peripherals, optional. Additional peripherals like speakers, headphones, webcams, and printers may be required depending on your needs. 12. Cables and accessories. Don't forget to have the necessary cables and connectors to connect all your components together, such as SATA cables, power cables, and display cables. It's worth mentioning that these are the basic components required to build a PC. Depending on your specific needs, you may consider adding more components like additional storage drives, a sound card, a Wi-Fi adapter, or extra cooling fans.